Today we're trying on some new swimwear from Popflex. Did you guys know this collection almost didn't launch? There was this whole drama about it and Cassie shared it online.
Everything that could have gone wrong has literally gone wrong. First of all, the swim collection was designed over a year ago. The original goal was to get the swim collection out to you guys by April. In January, we had to do an emergency team trip out to our factory. Fittings were done every single day. We got so detailed down to the SPI or stitches per inch, the tension on every thread. I get my swim photo set and I start stretching the leg opening and I noticed that it's not stretching. I died because I knew that if I put that on my leg, it was going to sausage me hard. And sure enough, I sausaged. So I cut into the leg opening, ruining the garment, and I noticed that the elastic used inside was not the one that we had approved. It wasn't just on the photo sets, but it actually affected all of the bulk production, as in all the stuff that you guys were gonna get in your orders.
Basically, a series of unfortunate events happened which delayed the collection and Cassie wasted a whole bunch of money. But thankfully, everything worked out and it's here, so let's try it out. The first piece I got is this interesting design. It's a Swimskort.
I didn't know it was this bad. I don't want to be mean, but I would never wear this. I am a super cheeky bikini type of girly. You normally wouldn't catch me wearing a swimskort, but if I were to wear a swimskort, it would be inspired by the look of a sarong. So I swapped the big bow for this sleek twist. I added 2 elastics on both sides of the hips to give you a little scrunch, because working with the twist, now you get the sarong effect on your low belly and on your butt. Okay, now notice this asymmetrical waist. Again, it is inspired by the effortless look of a sarong. But you know what sarongs don't have? They don't have a built-in bikini bottom. And if I'm gonna give you a bikini bottom, let's be clear that it's a no to bikini floss and a yes to full lip coverage. Oh, and watch out for white lining on bikinis. Usually that means the lining is flimsy, which may cause see-throughness, but also an undyed lining means they just didn't want to spend the money to match the outside of your bikini. I always fully line my swimwear for obvious reasons, but also I do it with a cute little matching lining because it makes me happy.
I'm pairing the skirt with a Sea Maiden top. This is a Milkmaid inspired bikini top. It's got that ruche neckline, wide straps for comfort and support. Apparently this is nip proof. It's double lined, so there's no high beaming there. At the back there's a corset inspired lace up design. Are you ready for the reveal? Dun, 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 dun. How cute is this set? I actually love the skort. Who would have thought a swimskort? I'm vibing with this, guys. I love the sarong look. It's supposed to be like asymmetric, but the only thing is I feel like it highlights my bad leg. Do people have bad legs? Like, you know, like a good side? I've got a bad leg. I've got like this bump and this, I don't know what it is. It kind of came up during pregnancy, but it's like a mole, a wart or something. That aside, it's very, very comfortable. It doesn't dig in. I got an extra small and I think it's pretty true to size. So there's the built-in bikini bottoms underneath. They feel smooth. It's a different material as well. So at the top, the skirt is just kind of like ribbed material, very stretchy, and then inside the undies or the panties, it's a smooth material. I gotta check. Are my lips covered? Yes, they're covered. Full lip coverage confirmed. It's not going to be slipping out anytime soon. Now the length of it, it's supposed to be like this short. So at the back, I guess you can kind of see the panty when you do bend down, but I mean, like, you're in swimmers, you know, it's not like everyday wear. So I don't mind the length. So I think if you're taller, you're definitely going to show more cheeks. Don't know if you're into that. Love the cute little twist design. And because it gathers, I just feel like it's really flattering on my hips, you know, like it's giving me a little bit of shape. Also, it hits me right at the belly button, so it's not like a low rise or too high. It's a slanted mid rise. I really like it. I'd recommend it if you're someone who doesn't like to show your bottom when you swim. Like, you know, some people get conscious of that. So this is a nice sort of cover up style that's also functional. Cover up, but you stay covered up and you don't need to re-tie it. So pretty convenient. You guys know I'm all about comfort these days. So when I find something that's cute and comfortable enough to live in, I'm not gonna gatekeep. These shoes from Vivaia have honestly changed my life. After having kids, my feet grew 2 sizes, 1 after each, so most of my shoes just didn't fit anymore. Luckily, Vivaia found me at the perfect time, and they're a partner in today's video. When I'm filming, running errands, or taking the kids out, I need shoes that are comfortable enough to wear all day, but still stylish enough that I look put together. I walked around in these all weekend, and guess what? My feet did not ache. These are the Yancy and Christina sneakerinas, and they've basically become my go-tos for everything. The Yancy I got in red. It's clean and minimal, but I wanted that pop of color in my wardrobe. Christina here, she's a little bit more feminine with a double shoelace design, so you can switch it up. These are made from recycled eco-friendly materials and feel so soft yet supportive. Plus, my favorite thing about these is that they're machine washable. Is that not every mum's dream? I don't have to worry about getting these white sneakerinas dirty because I can just throw them in the wash. Oh, and did you know Bella Hadid has been spotted in these? So if they're good enough for her, they're good enough for me. So if you're after shoes that are comfortable and cute, definitely check out Vivaia. I'll leave a little code and the link below. Check them out and your feet will thank you. Now let's talk about the bikini top. I needed help adjusting this to my size or my girls. So you might need help with the back, like pulling it and adjusting it, and then also the front. I feel like because I wanted mine tied close, I needed help basically. Overall, I think it's a really cute top. I love the ruching and it does cover up my girls. Right now, I'm like a D to a double D cup because I'm breastfeeding and I got an extra small. On their website, it does say that if you're a double D cup and above, it's better to size up. I know my boobs are gonna shrink after I finish breastfeeding. So I'm just like preparing for that. So far, it's still quite good. Because of the ruching detailing, you don't really see nipple like poking through and it's double lined. So I feel like she did a really good job with that. Also, because I went with black, I feel like it just hides and covers up, so it's more forgiving. I really like the wide straps. That's specifically why I got this design. I feel like wide straps just flatter me more. The only thing is they're not adjustable. So I feel like because I need a little bit more lift, I can't really adjust that. And I would love, I love it if my girls were so low. The lining on this is super cute, guys. I actually feel like I like the lining a lot more. And I feel like it would be so cool if she made this reversible, because then you get like a 2-in-1. Cassie, can you please make reversible clothing? The crisscross back is really nice as well, so you can adjust your sizing and snatch yourself if you want a little bit more support. Let me do a quick jump test and see if they're supportive. Oh, quite supportive. I think this is the cutest bikini top I own now. I feel comfortable and not so self-conscious wearing this one. Now, I love one pieces, so this next design is right up my alley.
I don't like one pieces. But like, I also understand where you're coming from because I've seen too many one pieces highlight the things you want to hide and hide the things you want to highlight. So it is my mission to create a one piece with the most romantic milkmaid inspired bust. Look at that gathering and the way it contours to your chest. And this drawstring right here allows you to make this entire chest area adjustable to your cup size. Oh, and I added a thick nip cushion layer on the inside in case you get cold. Speaking of cushiony things, you know this armpit pillow situation? Well, if you have one, this wide strap covers it perfectly with no effort. Oh, and the strap is a 3-layer construction, so it's extremely supportive. The gusset, full-on lip coverage, and the inside is fully lined because 1, see-through swimwear is not okay, and 2, it's just fun to have a cute lining on the inside. Now, for those of you with hip dips like me, you're gonna love this high-cut thigh with the ruffle because not only does it elongate your legs, it adds shape to your hips and also highlights your booty. Okay, a moment for this gorgeous crisscross feature in the back because a few years ago when I first did this, there was a bit of waviness going on. So this year, I wanted to add a flexible faux boning to give you that clean V structure to really snatch you in.
Okay, we've got the next piece on. I've got mixed thoughts. Let's talk about the things that I like. I love the top half. Like the top half is like A++++++, 100, 1,000 out of 100. Like I really like it. Yeah, it's basically the bikini top but longer, so it's very my jam. Also, I love the color. It's my personal color. It's supposed to flatter my skin tone. What do we think? Nips are not showing, and there is a space that you can insert extra padding if you wanted a little bit more volume there. However, when I did check the bra paddings that I have available, even the smallest one won't fit in here. So I feel like you have to buy specific padding to fit this. So, I mean, it would be nice if they just included the extra padding. So if you wanted to wear it with or have it out, you have that option. I love that this design was meant to cover up my armpit pillow. It does just that. Now let's get down to the parts that I'm not a big fan of, and I think it's just my personal taste because it looked really good when I saw the video and all the models, like they rocked it. But I just feel like I'm not like a high cut, what do you call it? High rise, high cut girly. Like there's just a lot of leg happening. And you guys know I have a bad leg. So it's like, Okay, I'm not really mad about this part. I think it's just like where it starts. I feel like doing this, like don't look at me. But I get it, it makes my legs look longer because I'm showing more leg, and maybe it's just because I'm not used to it. I'm just like a conservative mum now. Also the back, what do you call it? A cheeky cut? It's not a thong, but it's not a complete bum cover either. It's like in between. You see some cheekage. I'm not too mad about that. Like I get that. I feel like, yes, that's nice, but then as I walk, my butt gets hungry, like it wants to eat everything up, and that's where it's like, oh, I just need to like find a place to pick up my wedgie, you know what I mean? Like, where's that sarong cover up when I need it? Ooh, what if like she designed this top but with the skort, eh? That could be a thing. Zen's looking at me and she's like, I see you're lying. I'm like, I know. I feel like this needs not really showing anything, but also showing too much for me. This is my thought. Because like, you normally want to cover up your lips, don't you want to cover up the front triangle too? Like, but I think that's just me. Maybe it's a thing, like, young, hot chicks can like totally sport this. I'm a mum of 2. I'm like getting frumpier by the day. I don't know if I can keep up with this. My skin is just so white there because it's never seen sunlight, guys. And I get what she's trying to do with the frills, right? Because it kind of just like gives a bit more shape. This is my jam. Oops. Sorry. This is my jam. This is the vision. Like, I feel like this is so flattering. Huh? Cassie? Hey. Can you please do this combo? This is a swim dress now. It's a vibe, right? Oh my god. I mean, I have both pieces. I can just wear it like this. No one's got to know that I've got 3-ply and ruffles hidden underneath. It's just like double protection, triple protection. This silhouette is giving me life, guys. Yeah? Do we agree? Yes? Yeah, I think so too. Yeah, Zen's saying like this longer top would look better than bikini top.
Just now that one you had like rolls.
Yes, I had fat rolls in the other one. Yes, see, that's a true friend. Everyone, get yourself a friend that's gonna tell you how it is. I had back rolls with the bikini top on, but with this one, smooth like butter. And you can like adjust it. I feel like I feel more secure with this on as well. So we made it work. We made it work. Now for the reveal. I bent down and it dug in even deeper. Just a thought, because I'm short, like this is already digging in. Imagine if you're tall, like it's just default wedgie 24/7 when you've got this on. Swimsuits are so hard to design. Like, how do you make the length adjustable? My butt's so like rough. I need to exfoliate. I've got mum bum. I've had 2 kids, I have double mum bum. I have mixed thoughts about this next piece.
For years now, you guys have been asking me about a swim dress, so I think it's time. I drew inspiration from vintage swimwear because I love how the silhouettes are so snatched, they're feminine, and they also provide coverage without making you look frumpy. So in the modern day version, I wanted to ensure you got all of that, plus adjustability, stretchability, and comfort. I love me a gathered bust because not only does it contour your boobs so nicely, it also provides that adjustability. Oh, and of course on the inside, I'm giving you a nip cushion layer so you don't have to worry about when it gets cold. The inner bodysuit alone is 2 layers thick here because that construction allows me to have a clean finished edge on the thigh opening right here to ensure that you don't get pinched. Now let's talk about adjustability. You've got strap adjustability, hem adjustability, snatch adjustability, and just snatchability in general.
Wowee. Is it the color or is it the design or is it just me? But this is giving me like sexy clubbing vibes. I feel like the problem here is that it's too cute that it doesn't look like swimwear. It's confusing people, you know what I mean? Like, is she going clubbing? Is she just gonna jump in the pool with that clubbing dress? But it's cute, like it's sexy. It's snatching me in. The straps on this, they're thin, yeah, but they're adjustable. So I can shorten it. Is this the full length? This is the full length on me. So it can be worn like this, or if you prefer shorter, you can scrunch it up. Not on me. Shorter, it's a thing, but just not on me. How do I feel about this? I've got mixed feelings. Like, is it possible that it's too nice to be swimwear? Like, that's the problem here. Is that even a problem? I'll tell you what, it's really supportive and I feel like it's giving me shape. Like the material, she's done that witchcraft where she snatches you in with all that fancy material she uses. It's so nice. Like, it's giving me that core control. I feel secure. My girls, there's no high beaming anyone. I should point out that the lining on this, you can see from the front, like this is the inner lining she's used for the other pieces, but with this one, you can just see it from the inside of the panty. Does that make sense? So it's double lined. It fits nicely. You know what? I just need this cut on the one piece and I'm good. I think I like it. I like it. It's covering up my behind so I can't complain. It's like, guys, it's swimwear. There's 2 layers, so that's why I feel like it's compressing me. I guess it's a multifunctional dress. I can wear it on date night or I can, you know, jump in the pool with this. 20-year-old Tina definitely had a clubbing dress like this with the rouging in her wardrobe that she wore out on Saturday nights. We have a very special guest, the boy that stole my heart. Yes, it is my baby Desmond. Desmond! Look how big he is now, guys. 8 months postpartum. 8 months. You say, hi, internet aunties and uncles. It's a microphone. Fun fact, I met your dad at the clubs and that's how you were made. That's it to this video. If you guys want to see more Popflex try-on hauls, check out my playlist. Also, if you're new here, subscribe and I shall speak to you guys next time. Bye! What time do the clubs open?